All looks really good.
And he did it all.
All right.
Built the box.
Okay. So, what's your name and what's in here?
4 years and
Okay.
2 X Series Sundown audio.
Okay.
6,000 watts.
Nice. Can you build this?
Yeah.
That's good. So you got front, subs, port, top.
Yeah.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Okay.
And I got 2 separate chambers on each side of the box for the 4/8.
Got it. That's good. Anything? Let me look under the hood real quick. What is your box tuned to?
I have no idea.
No idea?
It
Okay.
was designed for different subs that were smaller, so I say it's probably higher than it should.
Okay.
But I have no idea.
Yes, sir. Do you know the cube size? How many box cubic space sizes if you built it? You remember or not?
No, I don't remember. That's been like 6 or 7 years ago.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Has it always been these sizes or did you change them up?
I changed them a couple years ago from the SA series.
Okay. Do you like these more or the others?
These are louder, but the others I think may sound better. Maybe because the box is for them though.
Yeah. How much power? Like, have you
6,000.
clamped it at all?
No, I have not, but
Okay.
they're 2,000-3,001 amps.
Got it.
Sundown.
Okay. I was just gonna say maybe if the clampage, like if your wired impedance ohm was rise high enough, you may not be given the power for the potential of the sun.
Yeah, it's just a daily. You know,
Okay.
I don't
Yeah, man.
do any competition or nothing.
No worries. All right.
Yeah, I've had subs in this thing ever since I bought this thing.
Okay.
15, maybe 17.
Okay.
It's my first car.
Where are you from?
Greenville,
Okay, so not too far from here. Nice. Where's your bass amps?
under the seats.
Okay. That's why it's just really clean install. You couldn't see. So is this box all cubic space for the subs, or how is
No.
this built?
Now see, these two right here got a small chamber on the inside for
Okay.
those.
Got it. Okay.
Now
So right
that's
here.
for the door speakers and the 8s, and then each sub has their own amp under the seat.
Okay. Got it. So it's more of a squarish block for the subs here.
Yeah.
Okay. But it's all combined.
Yeah.
Got it. Beauty panel and all. Looks really good. I was trying. All right. I'm gonna go look and see if I can see the seat amps also. They're underneath. Oh, that's gonna be hard to see.
They're pretty innovative.
Yes, sir. All good. What actual model number were those, if you remember?
That's the first gen of the Sundown full bridge.
SFBs?
Yeah.
SFB 3000D.
Yep.
Okay, yep. Got it. Awesome. And a Dodge, what year?
It's a Dakota 2002.
Dodge Dakota. All right. Awesome. Love to hear it.
Cody crazy. You ate away my
awesome, man. I appreciate the demo.
No problem.
Yeah,
man.
dude. For a good daily driver. I know you sacrificed your back seats and all for it.
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.